Hey y'all, third time's the charm. Jamie Deen here back in the chicken box. Now, the last time you were with me, you saw that I made a homemade dressing that we make here at the restaurant that everybody loves except for me. We made blue cheese dressing. Now, what is perfect for blue cheese dressing? I promised you we were going to use it in our next recipe, and today's the day. Wedge salad. So simple, right? A wedge salad, you think about that? Y'all remember the first time you went into a restaurant and saw a wedge salad? I remember, I said, what in the world is that? But I love iceberg. Love it. It's my favorite for a salad. So a wedge salad is all iceberg. We've got our head of iceberg lettuce here, and I didn't do it yet because I'm going to share a tip with y'all. Back up a little bit, Tim. Focus right there. When you get your iceberg, if you slam it down on your corner, you can core it. We'll pull that center part out. Now, I don't have anything against that center part, so I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to save it. Lord, do I go through the lettuce down here. So now that we've got our head of lettuce cored, how am I going to do this? I think I'm going to do it in, let's pretend that we have 3 people coming for dinner tonight. So I've got a dish here, perfect. So I'm going to prepare 3 of these little wedge salads. You see, all I've done here is I cut it into quarters. You want to leave all of this. This is our salad that we're going to be building off of. Beautiful. I'm going to save this. Traditional wedge salad only has a few ingredients. We're going to have our iceberg lettuce, and we're going to add tomatoes, and we've got chopped green onions, blue cheese crumbles, and bacon. I usually go no blue cheese, extra bacon, please. So I'm going to get our tomatoes set. Find a little home for them in there. Set one up a little higher. So y'all know that I like to, I'm not an artist, but I love to try to create things. I love to build, I love to watercolor, and I always wondered where that came from, but food is art. See, I'm taking I got my greens and I got my reds. I want everything in the perfect spot. I'm gonna put little green onions on top of here on my plate. I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper on my iceberg so it gets a little bit of that seasoning before I put our dressing on. Now, the dressing that we made for our blue cheese earlier, I've got just enough to top our salads. You don't want to cover it. I still want to be able to see my red and my green. I'm actually building these. Perfect little drizzle. Now, excuse my hand, we're going to add some of our fresh blue cheese. And I always like a little bit to hit the plate. See down there in that corner, so if somebody wants to pick that up, and you know we're dealing with the real deal. I'm going to come right back on top with just a little bit of these green onions on my dressing. Now for my favorite part, we're going to do some bacon. At Uncle Bubba's, we used to serve the bacon whole, which was really good, but I kind of like to crumble it up. So y'all, that's it. And you were here for the whole thing. It only took about 3 minutes. This is really a super easy, delicious salad that you can share with your family or your friends. Stay tuned right here. I'm Jamie Deen in the Chicken Box. This is good food. See y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.